So I found a little nondescript corner of my house because I'm going to be putting this public so that people don't have to look up links all the time. Because I realized it's probably really annoying for you guys to have to look up the links in the chats, and I don't have like a link sheet with all my links on it, and I've hidden a lot of buried a lot of videos over the years that I probably shouldn't bury. So some of them will become public, some of them won't become public, but this one will be public. And I will disable comments, and I will pretend that nobody's judging me. And yes, so this is Angels We Have Heard on High with 3 parts, A, B, and C. I'm going to start with part A, play it through slowly, and then I will sing with fingers. Here's the fingers. 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, A, 1, 3, 1, A, 3. 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, A, 1, 3, 1, A, 3. 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. 3, 2, 1, A, 1. 2, 1, A, 3, A, D, D. 3, A, 1, 2, 1, A. 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. 3, 2, 1, A, 1. 2, 1, A, 3, A, D, D. 3, A, 1, 2, 1, A, 3. Alright, here's part B.